The world of mobile processors is in for a shake-up. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite has arrived, claiming the title of the fastest mobile CPU to date. But what sets this chip apart from its predecessors, and why does it matter to consumers, gamers, and tech enthusiasts? Today we'll break down what makes the Snapdragon 8 Elite so revolutionary, covering everything from its architecture and energy efficiency to gaming and AI capabilities. Let's dive deep into how this chip could shape the future of mobile technology. To understand the Snapdragon 8 Elite, we need to look at its roots. Qualcomm's previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Gen 3, laid the foundation for this innovation. Snapdragon Gen 2 introduced efficiency cores, a crucial feature that allowed smartphones to conserve energy without compromising speed. Then came the Gen 3, which elevated multi-core efficiency, combining power with extended battery life across flagship devices. This journey took a big leap in 2021 when Qualcomm acquired Nuvia, a company with engineers from Apple and ARM. Nuvia's insights into custom core design transformed the Snapdragon series, pushing it beyond traditional mobile limitations. This expertise enabled Qualcomm to create its Orion cores, bringing laptop-grade performance to smartphones. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is the first mobile chip to integrate Qualcomm's second-generation Orion cores. With these advancements, Qualcomm is no longer just competing in mobile, it's redefining it. At the heart of Snapdragon 8 Elite's power lies its custom-designed Orion cores. This isn't Qualcomm's usual ARM-based setup. The Orion architecture has been built from the ground up to prioritize both performance and efficiency. But what does that mean for users? First, Snapdragon 8 Elite uses a unique core configuration with two prime cores running at a blazing 4.32 GHz. These prime cores are supported by 6 performance cores, which also function as efficiency cores. This design allows the chip to scale up for demanding tasks while conserving energy for day-to-day use. Imagine opening multiple apps, streaming content, or gaming, all without noticing lag or significant battery drain. Snapdragon 8 Elite's approach to power efficiency doesn't just extend battery life. It keeps devices cooler, making overheating and throttling far less common. This is especially important as mobile devices handle more tasks previously reserved for laptops, from intense multitasking to real-time 3D rendering. Now let's talk gaming. For gamers, Snapdragon 8 Elite is more than just another mobile chip. It's a gateway to console-level graphics on a handheld device. Thanks to its advanced GPU, Snapdragon 8 Elite supports ray tracing, a technology that brings lifelike lighting and reflections to gaming. Ray tracing has been around in high-end gaming PCs for years, but Snapdragon 8 Elite makes it possible in your pocket. Imagine playing a mobile game where reflections in water or glass look real, where shadows fall naturally, and where textures are rich and immersive. These details create a gaming experience unlike anything seen on mobile before. But graphics aren't the only enhancement. Snapdragon 8 Elite also supports ultra-smooth frame rates, making it ideal for fast-paced games. And with Qualcomm's proprietary thermal management, even extended gaming sessions don't lead to overheating or lag. Instead, Snapdragon 8 Elite provides stable, high-quality performance, whether you're a casual gamer or into mobile esports. Artificial intelligence is transforming mobile experiences, and Snapdragon 8 Elite is built with AI at its core. Its upgraded Hexagon Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, powers a range of new capabilities that take device intelligence to the next level. One of the most impressive AI-driven features is real-time language translation, which the Hexagon NPU handles directly on the device. This means that you can have voice-to-text translation without needing to be connected to the internet, making it fast and private. It's an invaluable tool for travelers or anyone who wants to communicate across language barriers quickly. For photography enthusiasts, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's AI ISP can recognize objects in your photos, like faces, pets, or even specific scenes, and adjust settings in real time. This technology doesn't just make photos better, it makes capturing the perfect shot easier. The AI can blur backgrounds, adjust lighting, and optimize image quality on the fly. And let's not forget on-device AI assistants. Unlike traditional assistants that rely on cloud processing, Snapdragon 8 Elite's Hexagon NPU processes commands directly, making responses quicker and preserving privacy by keeping data on the device. Snapdragon 8. Elite isn't just about power, it's also about using that power wisely. Thanks to TSMC's 3nm manufacturing process, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is more energy efficient than any of its predecessors. This advanced process reduces heat output and improves battery performance, making it possible for devices to run powerful apps without draining the battery too quickly. The 6 performance cores, which also double as efficiency cores, allow Snapdragon 8 Elite to handle background tasks without using excess power. This setup is ideal for users who keep multiple apps open at once or rely on their device for a full day's work without needing to recharge. Snapdragon 8 Elite also includes adaptive battery management, learning from your usage patterns and prioritizing power for your most used apps. This technology not only extends battery life, but also provides a smoother, more reliable user experience. Imagine a phone that knows when you need it most and conserves energy for those moments, whether you're on a video call, gaming, or traveling.
In our hyper-connected world, connectivity can make or break a device. Snapdragon 8 Elite raises the bar with support for 5G and Wi-Fi 7, making it the fastest mobile chip for network speeds. With Wi-Fi 7, Snapdragon 8 Elite handles faster speeds and more data than ever. This is crucial for high-demand activities like cloud gaming, streaming 4K video, or working remotely. Snapdragon 8 Elite's Network Manager also uses AI to prioritize your connection based on your activity. So if you're streaming a video or on a video call, the device will automatically allocate more network resources to keep things smooth and stable. Snapdragon 8 Elite's support for 5G enhances performance in crowded areas, letting users experience high speeds even during peak times. This connectivity is especially valuable for gamers who need stable connections and for users in remote areas who rely on 5G for fast, reliable internet. How does Snapdragon 8 Elite improve daily life? One area is photography. The chip's AI-enhanced ISP allows for stunning photos with minimal effort. Night shots, action shots, and low-light scenarios are handled effortlessly, thanks to real-time adjustments made by the AI. For productivity, Snapdragon 8 Elite brings desktop-like multitasking to mobile. With Orion cores, switching between apps feels instant. Whether you're editing a document, on a video call, or running background tasks, Snapdragon 8 Elite's power allows you to multitask without lag or performance drops. Augmented reality and virtual reality also get a boost. Snapdragon 8 Elite's GPU and CPU make high frame rates and low latency possible, delivering immersive experiences for AR apps and VR headsets. From virtual meetings to interactive maps, Snapdragon 8 Elite supports the future of digital interaction. Cutting-edge technology comes with a price. Snapdragon 8 Elite's 3nm production costs are around 20% higher, meaning flagship phones in 2025 will likely be pricier. For consumers, this means that accessing Snapdragon 8 Elite's advanced capabilities may come at a premium, but the benefits, especially in longevity and performance, may justify the price. Among the first adopters, Xiaomi's 15 series and ASUS's ROG Phone 9 Pro will be some of the initial devices showcasing Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Xiaomi 15 will appeal to everyday users, integrating the power of Snapdragon 8 Elite for smooth, reliable use. Meanwhile, the ROG Phone 9 Pro will push this chip to its gaming limits with advanced cooling systems, allowing users to experience its full power without throttling. Snapdragon 8 Elite is more than just Qualcomm's next step. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its modular design, Snapdragon 8 Elite can adapt across device types, potentially powering tablets, laptops, and even wearables. This adaptability could lead to a seamless ecosystem where performance and efficiency extend across devices. In the coming years, Qualcomm aims to expand Snapdragon's capabilities beyond mobile, entering new markets and pushing performance boundaries. With Snapdragon 8 Elite, Qualcomm is setting a new standard, one that could see mobile devices performing at levels we once thought were only possible on desktops. Snapdragon 8 Elite is a milestone in mobile technology, bridging the gap between smartphones and laptops with unparalleled performance and efficiency. Whether it's delivering AI-driven photography, high-speed gaming, or longer battery life, Snapdragon 8 Elite stands out as a powerful contender in the mobile industry. If this new generation of Snapdragon excites you, leave a comment with your thoughts. Would Snapdragon 8 Elite tempt you to upgrade? And if you're using a Snapdragon device, let us know how it's performing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech innovations.